Hi everyone, I'm Kathy P. Sagun. Today I would like to share with you my report entitled Distance Education, Trends, Challenges, and Opportunities. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand global trends, market dynamics, and challenges in distance education. Recognize the potential of emerging technologies in enhancing distance education experiences and improve learning outcomes for students. I will cover the following topics on distance education: trends, challenges, and issues, emerging technologies, and the future of distance education. Let's get started! Distance education is a mode of education that expands educational opportunities by utilizing advancement in technology. As a result, there is a growing demand for online education worldwide, with institutions offering alternative programs to accommodate the diverse needs of the learners. Let's start with distance education market trend. The distance education market is growing at an annual rate of 5% and is projected to reach 210 billion by 2023. This lucrative industry attracts significant investments, with the United States holding 50% of the global online education market. Let's move to the distance education SWOT and PEST analysis conducted in Russia. A strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats or SWOT analysis of the distance education in Russia published by Gregorievna and others in 2021 reveals strengths in constant demand for tutoring services, adaptability, and individualized approaches. However, challenges like competition, economic risks, and a shortage of qualified personnel remain. Opportunities include the growth of the non-state education sector and technological advancement, while threats involve social factors and technology-related issues. In there, political factors, economic factors, social factors, and technological factors or PEST analysis, they highlighted various factors affecting the development of distance education in Russia. These include political factors, such as legislation requirements and the absence of specialized premises, economic factors like potential income growth, social factors including the growing demand for additional education and globalization, and technological factors such as the ICT revolution and the transition to distance education. Let's move to the innovation, trends, issues of distance education. Distance education is an emerging phenomenon. Distance education is continuously evolving with innovations and trends emerging due to the technological enhancements. These trends influence both local and international settings, making distance education a key player in the future of global education. Issues in distance education. As distance education expands, various issues arise, such as quality assurance, dropout rates, student assessment, cost effectiveness, and problems related to technology use and infrastructure. Addressing these issues will ensure the continued success of distance education. Infrastructure and emerging needs. The emerging needs of the education sector, particularly in online education, create additional necessities for delivering educational institutions. Adapting to these needs will be crucial for the continued growth and success of distance education. The future of distance education. Distance education, through the ICT revolution, expands the scope of learning and accommodates diverse learners' needs. As the demand for distance learning increases, It has the potential to become the educational model of the future, providing increased access to quality education and transforming the traditional higher education landscape. Leveraging emerging technologies in distance education. In order to enhance distance education experiences and improve learning outcomes for students, we can leverage emerging technologies in various ways. By using artificial intelligence or AI, we can create personalized learning experiences, while augmented reality and virtual reality (AR/VR) can provide immersive experiential learning environments. Adaptive learning platforms enable tailored content, and gamification helps increase student engagement. Collaborative learning tools facilitate teamwork and communication, and learning analytics provide valuable data driven insights. By thoughtfully integrating these technologies into distance education programs, we can create engaging, personalized, and effective learning experiences that lead to improved outcomes for our students. Integration of distance education in higher institutions. Distance education coexists with traditional forms of education, such as full time, correspondence, and extracurricular education. By integrating online learning with traditional methods, higher institutions can create more diverse learning experiences and expand access to knowledge globally. The role of government and policy in distance education. Governments and policymakers plays a crucial role in supporting the development of online education. For example, the modern digital educational environment in the Russian Federation project aims to promote the growth of distance education. By developing and implementing effective policies, governments can ensure quality and accessibility in distance education. Distance education continues to thrive, so we have to stay focused. Distance education has become an essential component of modern education. By addressing challenges and leveraging opportunities, we can shape the future of education with innovative technologies and ensure that distance education continues to thrive, providing access to education for learners worldwide. For our discussion, I'd like you to think about these two questions and reflect on your own experiences. How can we effectively address the challenges and issues in distance education, such as quality assurance, dropout rates, student assessment, and technology related concerns to ensure the continued growth and success of distance education? Question 2. Considering the rapid growth and potential of distance education, what strategies can traditional educational institutions adapt to successfully integrate online learning into their curriculum and remain competitive in the evolving educational landscape? If you would like to learn more about this topic, you can refer to the following references. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for listening. I hope that you've learned something from me today. Be blessed and be a blessing to others. Bye, everyone.